Good morning, this is Federico Bentley from Ayondo Markets giving you this morning's market update. This morning we focus on Greece, where Greek Prime Minister Alexis Tsipras resigned last night, triggering another round of elections in Greece and calling into question the stability of the country's latest bailout. Tsipras stepped down after just 7 months in office, in which he battled with Greece's creditors, including their Eurozone partners and the International Monetary Fund, before ultimately accepting the creditors' demands for more austerity and economic reform. Tsipras stepped down on the same day that Greece began receiving funds under its €86 billion bailout programme, its third since 2010. But market experts warned last night that his resignation could call the whole deal into question. The Syriza party has split in two, with hardliners ditching it to form their own independent movement in parliament ahead of a snap election. Alexis Tsipras announced that snap election would take place on the 20th of September. Greek banks felt the hardest hit as Piraeus Bank dropped 13.5%, Alpha Bank fell 14.6% and Attica Bank plummeted 13.3%. Looking at European markets, UK 100 rollings trading 26 points higher from this morning's open. The France 40 rolling is 34 points higher, and the Germany 30 rolling is almost 100 points above in this morning's open. Looking elsewhere to China, the markets were driven lower by figures showing Chinese factories contracted at their fastest pace in 6.5 years in August. The Caixin Market Purchasing Managers Index for the country's manufacturing sector fell to 47.1 from 47.8 in July, weaker than expected. Any figure below 50 denotes a contraction. Markets had already been hit hard by uncertainty in the US and a snap election called in Greece last night by Prime Minister Alexis Tsipras. Now for some corporate news, Glaxosmithkline has sold an autoimmune drug to Novartis for up to $1 billion plus royalties. Spire Healthcare's revenue rose 7.8% to £449.8 million in the 6 months ended June 30th, with growth across all three divisions. Now, heightened revenue rose 10.3% to €346.8 million on a constant currency basis in the 6 months ended 28th of June. Now for some key economic data being released this morning. We have at 9:30 the UK public sector finances. And that's all on the economic data news. So that's all for today's news as well. So thank you very much for listening and enjoy your weekend.